The rich don't transfer money from their freaking business bank account to their personal bank account. That's for poor people. What most CPAs are telling you is not what the ultra wealthy do. You already know that because you pay more taxes than Donald Trump, and Donald Trump's worth a hell of a lot more than you. So what you need to be doing is using a trust that can own all of your personal and business assets and legitimately use pre-tax dollars on those. And we have to get the money from your personal practice into the beneficial trust to pay for all those expenses. How do we do that? Well, if you're some sort of chiropractor or doctor, most states we can only sell a portion of the practice or none of the practice. So we can only kick over so much K1 distributions. The remainder of that income, we're going to sell all the assets and then we're going to lease it back. So we can lease up to 70% of the total income plus K1s above that. Our target's about 80 to 90% of the total income from the practice to the trust. Now, on paper, the practice is broke and the practice has no assets. So if something were to happen, they sue the practice, there's nothing there for them. They can sue it, but they just have a bunch of expenses. In the trust, however, you don't own the trust and they can't prove probable cause. The trust gets to stay protected. It owns all the stuff and it has all the money, and then you can use that money on pre-tax expenses. If that sounds interesting to you and you're a chiropractor, a doctor, dentist, whatever it may be, and you're realizing your liability is a little too high and your tax liability is definitely too high, all we need to do is get on a call together, comment trust down below, and we'll chat.